Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Glasgow, Scotland, and I'm at the Necropolis, and not Necropolis, yeah, Necropolis, that's it. And so it's a place where they've buried some people. But let me turn this around and I'll just read to you. How's that sound? That's a deal. So there's a lot of people coming here, but it's in the top 10. So as I walk, I'll read. So I'll try to read and not stumble all over myself. The Glasgow Necropolis is a Victorian cemetery in Glasgow, Scotland. It is on the low but very prominent hill to the east of Glasgow Cathedral, St. Mungo's Cathedral. 50,000 individuals have been buried here. Typical for the period, only a small percentage are named on the monument, and not every grave has a stone. Approximately 3,500 monuments exist. And that's this place. And I've been here before, and it's a lot of climbing. But I'll walk a little bit up and we'll see what we can see. The Merchant House of Glasgow. I mean, there are just tons of stones. $50,000 graves. And the impressive part is the church. That church over there is amazing and crazy, but I'll get there. So, and you can get a really good picture from up above, but wow, that church is amazing. Oh, pardon me. And I remember this hill. It was a lot of walking and a lot of tombs and crypts and stuff. But we're gonna go up the steep part. Oh my gosh. Because I think we get a better picture. So if you like walking around cemeteries, this is probably your place. If you like climbing hills, this is probably your place. Hoo-ah. Where's the escalator? Escalator. I didn't know anything he said. Oh my gosh. Wow. Ooh-wee, it's kind of cool up here. Wow. 50,000 people. Wow, amazing. And then you get to here and you see this. Look at that church, boy. I can't wait to go in. That's next. I guess I should go all the way to the top, huh? Oh, Eric. I'm gonna have to wring out my shirt. Alright, I'm not going any further than that. Wow. Duncan McFarlane That's my last name, actually. McFarlane. That's MacFarlane. I'm McFarlane. And I'm Irish, I think. And somebody told me I think I was black Irish, but I don't know. I think it just means I'm mischievous or something, but Charles Alexander Peterson died 1857. Wow. Crazy. Wow. 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 There are just a sea of things, tombs, monuments, headstones. Oh my gosh, it goes on way over there too. This is the necropolis. Wow. It's like a sea of... Wow. 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 Okay, this gives you a good taste. So if cemeteries and burial spots are your thing, and look at all the tombstones and the information they provide, this is the place to come. Died on April 1872, so some of these things are fairly old. Wow. Amazing. Our Goodwin, a Curry, I don't know how to pronounce that name, Midclivy? No, I'm just kidding. I know it's a date. Come on, come on. Back up and see if I can get that as a good shot here. All right, I think that is perfect. Amazing. Okay, everybody, thanks so much for coming. Let's go do the church. Bye-bye.